Just in, August 11th, 1:30 p.m., Joe Biden has finally announced his running mate. Kamala Harris, former 32nd Attorney General of California from Oakland, California, will be his running mate. She's a former district attorney who rose up to become the Attorney General, often known as the top cop of California. She has long been perceived as the top running mate, but today they made it official. If you're interested in more political updates and commentary, please comment or subscribe and let me know. Many believe this is the best running mate for Joe Biden and will strengthen him in areas where he was lacking in poll numbers.